Check this out, guys. I know it's evening and probably dark and you won't see. That's the mountain range. I'm on a beach. It's pretty dark. Well, tomorrow maybe we do a little boat trip where the glacier is right on the water and you go through ice fields. We feel lucky we can see also some whales, humpback supposedly, and maybe some orcas, who knows. We keep you posted. Good morning, Ron.
Good morning.
That's Isabela speed, really? Check this out. Sun comes out. That's where we parked. Right there you can see our car. Tried to show you last night. Dogs are excited, we are excited. Seward, Alaska. It's awesome. Just took the run. Check this out. We filmed an eagle flying.
Look where we are.
The end of Seward. The boat just started, we are ready, we have our binoculars. We have one of the 2 days this season where it's really sunny.
Yeah, and
we do the Kenai Fjords trip.
now for a tour.
There you go.
You can see a lot of animals.
A lot of animals and yeah.
And the tour is a lot of things that we go around too. It's really nice. The captain just said that it's 106 miles that we will go in this direction.
There's still trees and stuff. There's still trees and stuff on the rock. Check this out. The fjords. Kenai Fjords. Look at Isabela and her new binoculars. Thank you, Steve, by the way.
Yeah.
For that. In the middle of all the tourists. I'm gonna sit here.
Yeah. It's nice.
I don't like it shade, but this is not my world. Bella. This is beautiful. Now he's driving towards the glacier. Oh, ice! Check it out! There's ice on the floor. Ciao! the glacier, and it took us a 3 hours ride with a boat. But look at this, check it out, beautiful. Just seen an iceberg falling into the water. I didn't have my camera ready.
After the trip with the boat to see the Kenai Fjords, we went back to the car, and this was the day when we met his and hers, because Rebecca left us a note on the car, and then we contacted them and we had an amazing time together. You can see a little of this first impression that we had from them and they had for us.
Hello again.
Hi.
We just finished the Kenai Fjord tour, walking back to our truck. Did you like it?
It was really nice. It was only not possible to see whales, but I suppose that's a little late for the season.
Yeah.
But the rest was amazing.
I hope you like it too. When we cut the video, it will take a while, but yeah, it was nice. Here's the harbor in the background. Now we go back to the truck
To see the doggies.
see some happy doggies. Alright, see you guys later. Special people?
Oh yes.
You call us special people?
This is Barbara.
Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Barbara, why Barbara?
Who's Barbara?
This is Rebecca. Super start for the video. And this
That's
is Ben.
okay, Bella.
Exactly.
It's Rebecca.
This is Ben.
This is Ben. I told you
Yes.
right. Ben. And now we are going to eat crabs with a nice friend of
They're Belgian,
them.
right?
Yeah. Well, he is.
He is Belgian.
Yeah, she's American.
She's from Mexico.
This is, look at this. This is a Le Bon Appetit. It's really nice.
They have like Airbnb or bed and breakfast.
And each room has a theme. So there's like the captain's room, the Native American
Oh,
room,
wow.
and it's really.
This is really nice.
They go around to yard sales and rummage sales and find treasures, and they use that to decorate the
Oh,
rooms.
wow.
Gorgeous.
I need to see a room then. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give us thumb up. Don't forget to visit our Instagram, Facebook and Patreon page. And thank you a lot to be here with us, to enjoy every Sunday our chronological order in our videos. It's really nice to have you here and to hear your comments. If you want to know more about something, don't forget to write there. We love to hear and to answer you. Then please do it. Thank you guys. A big kiss. Bye bye.